Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use a Visa gift card on a PS5. First, make sure your Visa gift card is activated. Next, turn on your PS5 and log in to your main PlayStation account. From the home screen, go to Settings. Scroll down and select Users and Accounts. Then choose Account, followed by Payment and Subscriptions. Select Payment Methods and then choose Add a credit or debit card. Now carefully enter the Visa gift card details. Type the card number, expiration date, and security code. For the billing address, enter the same address you used when registering the gift card online. Double-check all information before confirming. If everything matches, the card should be added successfully. Once the card is added, go to the PlayStation Store. Choose the game or content you want to buy. At checkout, make sure the Visa gift card is selected as the payment method. If you get an error, try restarting the PS5 and checking the address again. Visa gift cards do not work for some subscriptions, but they usually work for games and store credit. That is how you use a Visa gift card on PS5. Thanks for watching.